No one likes to hear things go bump in the night. While these kinds of noises are most often traced back to the wind rattling the windows or the house settling, sometimes there's actually something there. Just take what happened to Tara McVicar, for instance. She'd been relaxing in her home when she heard an unexpected rustling sound coming from inside her closet. Concerned, she decided to investigate. After she opened the closet door, however, she was disturbed to find an entire family living inside. Hearing unexpected noises in your home is a surefire way to scare just about anyone. One minute you're easing into Dreamland in the evening, and the next, you're hearing a mysterious bump coming from another room. And of course, there's a good chance that the disturbance could be chalked up to a strong gust of wind knocking something over an old, creaky floorboard under the weight of your wandering dog. Still, you can't truly know unless you check for yourself. And of course, there's a good chance that the disturbance could be chalked up to a strong gust of wind knocking something over an old, creaky floorboard under the weight of your wandering dog. Still, you can't truly know unless you check for yourself. When Tara opened the closet door, she couldn't believe her eyes. There was an adult opossum on the floor, all nestled inside of a garbage bag. That's when she knew she had to break out her camera and film the entire ordeal. And of course, Tara had no idea how the critter had gotten into her home and into her closet. But one thing was clear: if she wanted her life to return back to normal, she had to get her out as quickly as possible. If there's one thing to know about opossums, it's that they don't take kindly to people poking and prodding them. So after explaining the situation to the camera, Tara's first plan of attack was to simply ask the wayward marsupial to leave her closet. Tara's poking the garbage bag with the broom only made things worse, and the animal continued to hiss in her direction. That is a very terrifying sound. It's a terrifying sound, but you're relatively cute, she could be heard telling the marsupial. After another round of hisses, Tara re-entered the closet to find a much more relaxed opossum. That's when she noticed something she hadn't before. The animal had been guarding something all along: her babies. Once Tara suddenly realized why the opossum had been so defensive all along, she couldn't help but change her tune. It all made so much sense why the opossum had been so stubborn and protective in the first place. As the mother opossum made her way toward the back door, Tara couldn't believe all that had taken place. Moments later, the opossum finally stepped outside for the first time. Watch her reaction once she suddenly realized that the rest of her babies were out there. Tara certainly got more than she bargained for by finding all those opossums in her home. Still, it's definitely an experience she'll never forget. Share this incredible opossum rescue with your friends below.
Je veux pas être indépendante, je n'essaie pas d'être cool. Je veux juste être vivante, sans me perdre dans la foule. Peux-tu sentir le vent qui te caresse? Toutes les fenêtres dans cette pièce. Car je veux te toucher bébé, je veux te sentir aussi. Voir le soleil se lever, se réfléchir dans nos vies.